Then get up, get dressed.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be talking to you about the importance of water. Now, on this channel, I tell you how to hydrate your hair. We talk about the importance of drinking water, how to use water on our skin, and things of that nature. Now, I can't eliminate using tap water altogether, but I can cut down on how often I use it or the contaminants in it. Me and my family use a lot of bottled water, and we use a lot of filtered water to cook with, to wash our face with, to wash our hair with. We just use a lot of bottled water or filtered water. So when the people from Epic Water reached out to me, I was willing to try their product. So this is the Epic Water Filter, okay? It's a water filtration system, and it has a lot of good things on this package that it is telling me about. Now here, as you see, it says it prevents 99.9% of contaminants. Now in the tap water, I don't know where you live, but there's a lot of pollutants in my tap water where I live, and we have lead pipes and things of that nature. So to cut down 99.9% of contaminants in the water, I'm on board with that. I am on board with that. Also, we buy a lot of bottled water. On the package, it says each filter replaces 1,000 bottled waters. All right, so that's going to be a money saver right there. And it also says it's BPA free. Now, that is a contaminant that is used in a lot of plastic productions that can get into whatever you're cooking or you're drinking water. It can really cause harmful effects. Now, this is a water filtration picture. To reduce is ordinary, to remove is epic. We're going to see about that, all right? So let's see what comes in this water filter box. So it gives you a lot of wonderful information on the side of what this filter does and the lifespan of this filter, depending on your family size, okay? Now, I will be leaving everything that you need to know in the description box down below if you're thinking about purchasing this filter, especially if you are a person that just can't get around using tap water. All right, so we are opening up the box, and upon opening the box, it gives you the Epic Water Guide. It shows you how to set up the filter. So you're going to get this when you open up the box. It has a table of contents to show you how to set this filter up and things of that nature. Lab test results, Clean Water Club, Epic Water Filter products, and giving back, return, and support. So all of that will be in the table of content, okay? So we're going to set that to the side. And also, it tells you about, let's talk about TDS meters. And that is how you test your water, all right? So that is what you will see when you first open up the box. Now let's get to the filter, y'all. Let's get to the filter. Epic Water Filter. And it looks like this. This is what you'll see when you first pull the filter out of the box. All right. It's pretty. It's pretty too. This is what the filter looks like straight out of the box, y'all. So it tilts here, has a lid to flip open here, and when you fill this picture up, you can push the start button so it will give you the time frame of when to switch out your filter. So that's a nice little gadget right there. Okay, we're going to sit this to the side. And it looks like this. Okay, so this part of the filter comes out. So this is what it looks like here. All right, you have your filter here. This part comes out. You twist this off here. And this is the filter. Now, so you can line it up right. I don't know if you can see that, but there's an arrow right there. so you will be able to line the picture up. So everything you would need to know about how to use your picture is in this book. This book is very, very detailed, so make sure you read it, okay? Now, the instructions are very straightforward, and this system is very easy to use. Before even filling up my pitcher, I ran my tap water for 30 to 40 seconds, and then I filled up my pitcher twice and let it filter twice. You are not going to drink that water. You're going to use that water to water your plants. This is my third time filling up the pitcher, and from this point, we are going to let the filtration system work. It only took like 15 to 20 minutes for this filter system to filter out all of the water, and you see it working very well here. The instructions are very straightforward. Now, in the book, it does tell you how long this filter can last. It depends on your family size, but if you're one person, 4 to 5 months, two people, 3 to 4 months, and so on. All right, so the water is filtered out, and it took like 10 to 15 minutes for it to filter the water, and it looks like this. In the instruction book, they are very, very clear about filling this pitcher up twice before actually drinking the water. So that is what we did. They give you instructions on what type of detergent to use, something mild, and how to care for your filter as well. So, I mean, the book is very detailed. So now it is time for the taste test. Now, over here on this channel, we take care of our hair. And you know some of the recipes that we have for our hair. We have aloe vera in water, rice in water, and apple cider vinegar in water. So if this filtration system does what it says it's going to do, we are good because we are going to save a lot of money on water, right? I am going to get some bottled water. And this is going to be taste test number 1. This is bottled water, taste test number 1. Water from the refrigerator. Water from the refrigerator. And now we are going to do the epic water system. All right. So let's try the bottled water. Okay. Let's try the refrigerator water. Okay. Now let's try the epic filter water. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes, and yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Y'all, I like it. Thank you, Water Epic System, for sending this to me. This is going to be a money saver. The water tastes good. And I'm telling you, yes, it is worth mine. So everything about that picture will be in the description box below. And that's about it, y'all. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know about this epic water filter. Y'all already know that I'm going to answer you back. You already know that. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, enjoy your water. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah.